Okay, so to assemble the antlers, you're gonna take piece 1 and piece 2 to start. This is that first antler bump. Okay. So you're gonna take this antler bump, we're gonna take the bigger one. That one is gonna go towards the very end here, and you're just gonna sew that in place. Okay, so that first one's on. We're gonna go ahead and get the second bump put on here. And we're gonna do the same thing. We're just gonna go ahead and sew that in place. And these are gonna bump right up next to each other with very little gap in between, not even a full stitch in between. Okay, our final step for this moose pattern is getting the antlers sewn on. I find it easiest to pin the antlers in place first, just to make sure they're in the right spot. Then you're gonna take your darning needle and just sew these in place. And with the antlers attached, this completes the moose pattern.